Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove background in VideoLeap. Removing the background from a video or the image is one of the most powerful features in the VideoLeap. It allows you to replace backgrounds with custom images or the videos, create cinematic effects, make professional looking thumbnails, TikToks or the Instagram reels. VideoLeap uses AI powered background removal, making it very easy even for the beginners. In this guide I'll show you step by step on how to remove the background in your video. So first what you can do is open to your VideoLeap app on your device, and over here you can open to a new project or you can open to any of the existing project here. And over here, once your videos gets into the timeline, and tap the clip in the timeline that you want to remove the background from and make sure it is highlighted, you'll see the editing option appear below the preview window. What you can do is select to this cutout on the bottom, and you can select any of the cutout filters here, and that is it. VideoLeap will automatically detect the subject in the video or the image. Wait a few seconds for the AI to process the background. Video works better with the simple backgrounds for the cleaner removal. And once the background is removed, and you can play to see how your subject looks with the new background, make adjustment to the cutout if needed for the smoother edges. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.